Hey guys, it's Aluk here, and I'm going to be showing off my last 4 sabers that I've finished. And I'll do them in the order that I made them. So, first up is my K3GR1 hilt. And this I finished up like a week ago or so. And since it was done, I fashioned a kill key for it, so there that is. Pull it out, and the saber will boot up. And so this one features a 3-watt red LED with crystal focus version 4.3, latching red anti-vandal switch, and the pommel houses both the recharge port and the low battery LED. And the batteries are pretty full right now, so the low battery LED won't blink very often, but it's there. And the auxiliary button is in the control box, and it just has a standard thumb screw. And then I don't know if it'll show up on the video, but I think you can see the vents there that I cut open, and so the blade light shows through. So let me throw a blade on this. So here it is, just with a carbon thin-walled blade with a double wrap of film. You have all the effects. So yeah, it's a pretty cool saber. I like it a lot. I'm happy with how it turned out. Next up we have the 2 disconnecting sabers that I just finished. So here the pair is. They are both powered by P4 red LEDs. And they use my custom connection system, which all you have to do is loosen the thumb screw here, slide together, and then tighten it back down, and the sabers will not go anywhere. So I don't know if it'll show up, but there's a little hole there, and that's where the thumb screw goes into, and so it's a physical lock. It cannot move. And these feature Jedi soundboards from MR Sabers and in-hilt recharge ports with 1100 mAh battery packs, so they will run for a bit over an hour. And so I'm pretty happy with how this pair turned out. And here, I'll throw blades on them. So these blades are also carbon blades, and as you can see, they're very bright, and yeah, they're very well balanced when they're connected, which I'm happy with. These ones turned out a lot better than the first pair. And then lastly, we have the Quinlan Voss saber that I converted. It started life as a park saber, and I then put a Luxion LED in it. The LED is held by one of Ace Rocket's LED holders, and that worked out very well. So here it is. MR Sith sound. And then the cool thing about the saber is these slots were all here originally. They were just smaller. They were like these ones. And so I enlarged those with the Dremel. And then if you pull off this cap, then there is your recharge port, and so it's hidden, but it still is very easily accessible, and I like it a lot. These sound vents are the only thing I had to change from the original layout of the saber, which I'm happy I was able to get away with. So I'll throw a blade on this, and here it is. The green will be washed out by all the light in this room, but it'll give you an idea. And just for comparison, here it is against a P4 red in a 1-inch blade. So it's actually a lot brighter than I thought it would be, and it's just a thinner blade. That's really the only difference that I can tell. So there are my new sabers, guys. Hope you like them.